Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're looking for a reliable laptop from HP that delivers great performance and value in 2025, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll be showing you the top 5 best Hewlett-Packard laptops of 2025, carefully selected for their performance, design, battery life, and real user feedback. For more details and the latest prices, check out the links to all the products in the description below. Now, let's get into it. Number 1. HP Spectre X360 14. The HP Spectre X360 14 is a premium 2-in-1 convertible that perfectly blends elegance, power, and practicality. Its 14-inch 2.8K OLED touchscreen delivers stunning visuals with deep blacks and brilliant color accuracy, perfect for creatives and movie lovers alike. With low blue light technology and up to 500 nits HDR brightness, it stays easy on the eyes while maintaining vivid contrast in any lighting. Under the hood, a 1TB PCIe NVMe SSD ensures ultra-fast storage and quick responsiveness, while the Intel Evo certified platform guarantees smooth multitasking, instant wake, and top-tier efficiency. Connectivity is next-gen with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, and the included HP USB-C rechargeable MPP 2.0 tilt pen is great for note-taking or sketching on the go. Number 2. HP Envy X360 2-in-1. The HP Envy X360 2-in-1 delivers a near-perfect mix of flexibility, performance, and design. Powered by the Intel Ultra 5 125U processor, it offers fast multitasking, smooth productivity, and impressive energy efficiency. Its Wuxka 1920 by 1200 display produces crisp details and vibrant colors, ideal for content creation, streaming, or presentations. The Poly Studio audio system with dual speakers provides rich, balanced sound for meetings or movies. Connectivity is rock solid thanks to Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, while the wide range of ports, including 2 USB-A, 2 Thunderbolt 4, HDMI, and an audio combo jack, makes it highly adaptable. The Envy's convertible design allows seamless transitions between laptop and tablet modes, making it equally great for work or casual use. Number 3. HP Victus 16 2021. The HP Victus 16 2021 remains one of the best value gaming laptops on the market, built to handle both play and productivity. At its core is the AMD Ryzen 5 5600H processor, capable of boosting up to 4.2 GHz, delivering strong multitasking and excellent efficiency. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 GPU, it brings ray tracing and AI-enhanced graphics for immersive, realistic gameplay. The 16.1-inch Full HD IPS display features an anti-glare coating and slim bezels for uninterrupted visuals whether you're gaming or editing. It comes with 8 GB of RAM and a 512 GB PCIe SSD for quick boot-ups and fast load times. Battery life can stretch to 10 hours, and HP Fast Charge boosts it back to 50% in just 30 minutes. The Victus also boasts an improved cooling system and the Omen Gaming Hub, which lets you fine-tune performance and lighting. Number 4. HP OmniBook Ultra Flip 2-in-1. The HP OmniBook Ultra Flip 2-in-1 brings together premium materials, cutting-edge hardware, and top-tier flexibility. Powered by the latest 14th Gen Intel Ultra 7 256V processor, it features 8 cores and turbo speeds up to 4.8 GHz, more than enough for demanding creative or professional workloads. Its 14-inch 2.8K touchscreen with a 120Hz refresh rate delivers silky smooth visuals and true-to-life colors, ideal for design work and media editing. With 16 GB of RAM and a 1TB PCIe SSD, multitasking and large file handling are effortless. Connectivity is next generation with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, And it includes 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports plus a USB-C interface for universal compatibility. Number 5. HP Dragonfly Pro One. The HP Dragonfly Pro One is a sleek, refurbished 2-in-1 laptop that proves you can get premium performance and sustainability at once. Each unit is professionally renewed, tested, and backed by a 90-day warranty, offering the reliability of a new model at a fraction of the price. It sports a 14-inch WU-XGA touchscreen with responsive touch control and vivid color accuracy, great for work or streaming. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 7736U processor with 8 cores and 16 threads, it delivers strong multitasking and smooth operation for productivity or light creative use. AMD Radeon 680M graphics ensure efficient rendering and smooth video playback, while 16 GB of RAM and a 512 GB PCIe SSD keep performance fast and consistent. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best Hewlett-Packard laptops of 2025. From the premium flexibility of the Spectre X360-14 and OmniBook UltraFlip to the reliable performance of the Envy X360 and Victus 16, there's an HP laptop here for every type of user and budget. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more tech reviews, comparisons, and laptop recommendations. Thanks for watching Hype Tech Picks. See you in the next one.